this is the big slime. It's huge. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you off things you can do with slime. This is butter slime. So that's why it's going out so fast. So I'm going to be using this slime for all this stuff. So first off, if you have sticky slime like this, really sticky, you want to get, say you use borax and water for your activator. You want to get borax and water and add more. Okay, but I used laundry detergent, so I'm going to add a little bit more laundry detergent. Add a little bit at a time. About this much. See that green stuff? About that much laundry detergent. And then you want to mix it. Mix whatever you use for that slime, an activator. Your activator. If you don't remember what you use for an activator, I would just use laundry detergent. If you don't have the right laundry detergent, then your slime will ruin. I don't really know all the laundry detergents you can use, but all I know is that the Gain, all I know is Gain and, I forgot what it's called, but Gain, you can use Gain for this. This is what I'm using. Gain, that's what we have. We use Gain. Oh yeah, and Tide. So then you want to mix that in real good. If it's still sticky, like it still is, you want to add more. Okay. I added a little bit too much, but that's going to be okay. Or at least I didn't use the whole thing. So, mixing it in. This is the whole thing out of this bucket. There's nothing left in the bucket. Bucket's empty. So this is the big slime. It's huge. Bigger than both my palms put together. And then, so here comes
hi people!
Stop yelling.
Hey peoples.
Get out,
No.
Gentry.
Get off my bed. Ginger. Oh.
So I think mine's good enough. Add a teensy-wincy more to mine.
Get out. No. Make your way out.
The door's right there in front of me. Yeah. So this is where I'm gonna be posting most of my. Like, this is where I post most of my musicallys right here. This is just like my social media area right here. So I do all my social media stuff right here.
Get your foot out of Cason's boat bag. Ow.
So he put his foot in my bag. I better kill him.
No. Oh, are you okay? Sorry, baby.
So I think mine's good enough. Let's test it.
Alright.
I put it like this. Take it out. Alright, mine's good enough and not
Alright, well,
sticky.
he can come in here, but I'm not. But he's not allowed in the bed. Ginger, you can go in there, but you're not allowed in my bed. Break it.
You're not allowed in my bed either. So this is not sticky no more. See? Laundry detergent works. Ding. That's successful.
We should bring Bob in here and put him in this little bucket container thingy.
Yeah, Bob is our pet, one of our pets. Go get the crabs thing. And we have 2 crabs. So we have 3 pets. We have Bob, which is a hamster. Like, not a hamster, a guinea pig. And then we have a little small
Y'all are gonna stay right here.
a little tiny small crab, and then we have a big male crab.
Come on,
so-
Cason. I'm not gonna get either one of them.
I don't care.
You have to help me. Can you help?
No, I gotta get in the shower.
Right now we're just getting Bob out.
He is, just bring the cage in here.
No.
So,
Accidentally hurt Bob.
no, I mean the crabs.
Bob's blue. Like,
Bob is not blue.
his top of his skin.
Somebody got blue on Bobby. We're gonna take him in another bath. So, hold on. Give me Bob. Well, actually, no. I'm not gonna have Bob. I have blue hands. Wait, no, show the camera of Bob first.
Ow, 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 ow.
This is Bobby.
I can't get him.
Hey! This is
Stop!
Bobby. My Bobby.
Hey,
Alright,
put him in the cage.
not a cage, but like, this is a bucket. Ow! That hurts. So that's Bob, and go get the crabs.
No.
We used to have 3 crabs, but one of them died, which was mine. And then the little one's Gentry, so my mom still owes me a crab. Hermit crab. Fun fact. If you get hermit crabs at the beach, they don't last long. If you get hermit crabs at like pet store, they last longer than the beach. So, and then the next thing is gonna be a
We're about
break.
to get a baby puppy. Here, hold it.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Bob's
gonna
container's
stay
gonna go right there.
Right here beside me. Right here.
You know what I'm gonna
Alright.
do? A smart idea. I'm gonna bring both of the crabs, lay them right here.
They're gonna crawl on my bed and poop on my bed and pee on my bed. I don't want pee and poop on my bed.
Or we can just find something to cover it. Like, ooh, this piece of paper.
You're gonna need a better piece than that. So
The big one's gonna go right there and the little one.
that's for this one. And then the next set is if your slime is not stretchy. It's not stretchy. See? Not so stretchy. But it is stretchy, but like, I'm gonna show you all an example. Let's just rename that. So, you want to get some lotion.
This is one of them.
That's the bigger one.
Breeze.
And then this one's Gentry's. So you put slime in it. Hit lotion in it. And then mix it all in like you did with the laundry detergent. You can put as much as you want. And it'll be more stretchier the more you put in. Go get me a Bruce glue real quick. Don't play with
Don't mess with that claw.
Yes. So go get me Bruce gallon of glue. Because it's going to be another hack I need. I'll show you the video. My sister made a video
Can I
of
touch
making
it?
this slime.
Can I touch it?
I'm making this slime on her YouTube channel. I wasn't here when she made it. She was here with our aunt when she made it. And I was at his football game. You can see because he has pads on. He still hasn't took off his pads.
See?
His pads are ripped. Put my phone back.
A little.
And then, so that's this.
We have a couple pets. I wish y'all could see them.
Here, put it back to where like my towel is, and then they can.
Can I have it?
No, they can't see me or the crab. They can see the ceiling though.
No.
So,
Tinsley, how did you start this?
that's that hat. And then now I'm gonna show you prank. Doesn't this look like lotion? But nope.
This is neat.
But that's Tinsley's. But this is actually not lotion. This is Breeze lotion. Psych. Actually. Get her out.
Tinsley, you flipped over the camera.
So we're gonna put you back right there. See, it's just like slime all on my arm. But see, it's
Guys, look at my lotion.
Like prank them at school.
Like, hey, you want some lotion? But it's actually slime to open it up. Let me put this in. Stop. Oh, this is breeze. If we play with it.
If we chug it in. We should make edible slime soon.
What's that?
If we knew how. Oh man. Go and play. And it's just slime when it dries up in a container. It turns into little paper.
And it feels rough.
Guys, feel this. See how rough that is?
It's like paper. If you get paper, fill it. It's what it feels like. College rolled paper. I need to put this on. What?
Ow, ow, ow.
No. Alright. Where's the lid, Gentry? What'd you do with the lid? What lid?
Hi, Papi.
To this?
Hi, Papi.
Yep. Oh, it's right here. I'm so done.
Hi.
Oh! Okay, stop. It's gonna scare him. I'm scratching your walk too. And then the last one. No! Yeah, it's mine. Stop. Alright, next one is to make your slime fluffy. You can either use shaving cream or foam soap. This is foam soap.
No, don't do it.
Then put it in there.
I don't think we're
And then
say hey to.
Hi, Bobby.
Yeah, Bobby.
Hi, Bobby.
his name is actually Spotty Bob.
Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby.
His first name was Bob, and then we named him Spot. So
You want to get in there with the Bob?
his name is basically Spotty Bob. So that's how they make your slime fluffier. So I'm gonna put a lot in here. Look. Oh dang it! I put my hand on it. Stop.
No.
Sheba.
No more Bob. No more Bobby. No more Bobby.
She loves Bob.
I know she does.
No. Papa.
We used to always call him Spot, but now we don't call him Bob.
Hi, Bobby.
Your hands will kind of get foamy. Don't worry. Foam soap absorbs like hand sanitizer.
Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby.
Yes, Bobby. Say
Bobby.
And my slime isn't hard. I'm just gonna say
Get off.
this, but it really works. If your slime is hard, you add more glue to your slime. If it's hard.
Just like go.
Let
Bobby.
me get another
Okay, now we're gonna move them.
No, hold on. Leave it alone.
What do y'all watch? Why isn't it moving?
That's him moving. And then the other one.
Here, look. I know how to make them.
Anyway, he's alive. I know he is. If he wasn't alive, he'll be falling out of his shell. That's that. She's playing with Bob.
And guess what we're doing? We're getting Bob out of the
Careful,
container and putting him right there. For y'all to see him, guys.
So mine's really stretchy. The kind of foaming soap I use is Soft Soap Kitchen Curious Bliss. Washes away Barcha. No. This is what I used. Buy this and it will work. Oh! Tinsley, don't sit in those slimes. Don't move, Tinsley. You got slime on. By the way, Tinsley's wearing a Mickey Mouse outfit. What kind of... Who's that? Who's that on your shirt? Who's that? Mickey Mouse. Is it Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse? And if you put something white in it, it gets it lighter. So you can look at the beginning of this video and see that this slime was darker than it is. So this slime is light.
Grizzly, he's gonna bite you.
He's gonna bite you. He bites hard. It doesn't feel like deep. It feels like yeah, hard. Here, Bobby.
Ow!
Here, Bobby, you want some slime? Beep. So that's it for the slime video. So I'll see y'all guys next time.
Bye.